Hey girl, hey. Had to stop at Hobby Lobby really quickly. It's currently 12:10. Let's run in Hobby Lobby real quick. Okay, so we're back from Hobby Lobby now. I started working on the spooky basket. The theme is kind of Hello Kitty, but make it spooky. So this is what I have so far. It includes 2 pairs of Hello Kitty fluffy socks, a pair of Lily lashes, some Halloween stickers, Hello Kitty face mask. The lashes do also come with duo lash glue. And there's a bunch of other things in here, like there's a cup. The cup is also full of candy, and it is a handmade mug. I did make this mug myself. Was a custom request basket, but I did end up making a second one. So the one that you're watching me make is the one that I currently have available on my website, shopdaisy.com, and I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogtober video. I think I'm gonna do like a Q&A style video. I of course can't forget to show you guys how the basket turned out. So here are some pictures of the basket. It's not completely finished, like I don't have the earrings in there and I don't have it wrapped up in cellophane, but this is the overall gist of what the basket ended up looking like.